Hello guys, this is Amjid Basham and here I am with the second video of C programming language. In the first video, I've just discussed the installation and the basic interface of Turbo C++. Here in this video, I'll be showing you how to take a new file in Turbo C++ to start coding your first program. So I'm just going to click Turbo C++, and here is the interface of Turbo C++ when you go for opening that one. To take a new file, just click on file, then you can do it with open or just go for clicking new, and here is the path of that file where that is going to be saved. You will have to just erase this static and name your program, and I have just named it first pro or the first program, or I must do it second pro since there is the second program. Okay, it doesn't matter. It will get saved with extension of turbo extension of .c, and it is going to be saved in the C partition. There is a folder turbo, and turbo there is a folder tc, and tc there is another sub folder named when, and you can find that in when. So let's open it, and here is our program fastpro.c. So I'm just going to write some text to show you the same file, the test. Okay, I must write the text is for test. The text is for test. Okay, I'm just going to save this text with F2, or you can go for file and then save, and I'm just going to show you this in my computer system. Let's go to C partition, and C partition we have a folder turbo, and turbo there is a folder tc, and tc there is another folder ben, and ben I've just wrote mine or named mine program first pro, and here we are first pro. So let me open this one. It will get open in notepad, and that is the text what I wrote in that file. So these aren't the code. I've just written some simple text. I'll be discussing, or I'll be writing the first program in my next video. So see you there.